Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to export a .fig file from Figma. If you're working on designs in Figma, one thing you should never overlook is having control over your files. Whether you're collaborating with a team, transferring projects to another account, or simply backing up your work, exporting your design as a .fig file is essential. A lot of people rely entirely on cloud storage without realizing that having a local copy gives you an extra layer of security and flexibility. If something happens to your account, or you need to quickly share a file outside of Figma, a .fig file becomes incredibly useful. It also makes collaboration smoother, especially when working across different teams or environments. Instead of rebuilding designs, you can just export and re-import them. To begin, open your browser and go to Figma. Log into your account and open the project you want to export. Once your project is open, look at the top left corner of the screen. Click on the Figma logo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your file. From the menu, hover over or click on File. A sub-menu will appear with additional options. Now click on Save Local Copy. As soon as you click this, Figma will automatically begin downloading your project as a .fig file to your computer. The file will be saved in your default Downloads folder, unless you've specified another location. Once downloaded, you can store it as a backup, share it with others, import it into another Figma account. To re-import the file later, simply go back to Figma and upload the .fig file into your workspace. This method is especially useful if you want to keep offline copies of your designs or transfer files between teams. To summarize, exporting a .fig file from Figma involves opening your project, clicking the Figma logo, going to File, and selecting Save Local Copy. This downloads your design as a .fig file to your computer. And that's how to export a .fig file from Figma. It's one of the simplest yet most important actions you can take to protect your work and keep control over your design files. Whether you're collaborating with others, switching accounts, or just keeping a backup, having a local copy ensures your work is always accessible. As you continue using Figma, make it a habit to periodically export important projects, especially before making major changes. It's a small step that can save you from losing valuable work. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.